Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit. But if you so for real, you could get it wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a wig sent to me by SAMSBEAUTY.com. This is the Vice Unit 9 in the color 2. This is a sensational unit, and it comes in a lot of pretty colors as shown right here. This is a 32-inch middle part curly wavy wet look wig, and it's very beautiful, you guys. Definitely a statement maker. It has the 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. If you guys are interested on this install, please keep watching. I will leave it in chapters for you down below if you guys want to skip forward the install process and just watch my final look. Then go ahead and do that. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, please, because this is some work. And just, yeah, you guys,
Buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit. But if you so for real, you could get it wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me. We could be always in heat. My loving, show me devotion I could trust in it. Just don't rush, baby. Ignite my desire for your loving. Slow burn till time for combustion. Baby, I'ma need an R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? So sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me.
so you guys, this is my final look for Vice Unit, Sensational Vice Unit number 9 in the color number 2. And at first I thought it was too dark for me. I did try to bronze myself up a little bit to try to match the color on this unit, but this unit is beautiful, bro. Like, it looks like human hair, like, and it is like the perfect density. Like, it might be too long, so if I do ever wear this out, I probably have to trim like at least this much off because it's just so long, you guys. But shout out to SAMSBEAUTY.com for sending me this unit. They have some of the best deals out there. They're usually like very competitive with their prices, so that's why I like them. And now they're sponsoring us, so hey baby, I love them a little bit more. I think it's 32 inches. Yeah, because I had the Vice Unit 9 before, but I had it in like that blonde color. I will link the blonde color somewhere up here in the screen. And I think I ended up reading that this was the 32-inch excuse the cheek. If you're trying to do like a pretty ass maternity photo shoot or just some type of photo shoot, like, or just be like a bad bitch, this is definitely a good unit to do that with. But yeah, I am in love with this unit, you guys. This is so cute, and she is very affordable because it's not a lot of lace. So usually wigs that have less lace come more affordable. So I think she is like in the $35 range. I will leave it somewhere here in the screen, and of course I will leave the links to her down in the description box if you guys are interested to get her from SAMSBEAUTY.com. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment box. I think I'm getting so good at laying these wigs, you guys. I think I could have done more foundation here, but, and this does have some room to plug, so if you guys like to have a more defined hairline, like a more realistic looking one, then I feel like this is something you could do with this wig. Excuse my kids, y'all know it's summer and we're in summer break. What? Guys, stop screaming. So yeah, you guys, sorry for all that, but this is definitely a cute ass unit, bro. Like, if you haven't got this one, go get her. Like, this reminds me of the Butta Unit 3, but obviously a more affordable version and a longer version at that. So yeah, I don't have a lot more to say. You know, it does claim HD lace, pre-plug hairline. You know, Sensational's doing their thing. It is heat safe, and the texture of this unit is a soft, like a silky texture. I don't see yucky in here, so it gives it an illusion of a more like human hair. And that hairline is pretty cute, you guys. I love how this turned out for me, but again, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for the support and the love you guys have been showing me. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do try to bring a lot of wig reviews. I'm also on TikTok, grifa.beauty, and then on Instagram, grifa.beauty all together. So yeah, anywhere where you guys can show some love will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. Bye.
You so for real, you could get it wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me